Today we're taking a look at part number TPU 023465. This is your 7,000 pound self-adjusting electric trailer brake assembly, 12x2. This brake assembly works with 5,200 pound axles, 6,000 pound axles, and 7,000 pound axles, and even sometimes 8,000 pound axles if it's not a true 8K, if it's a hybrid 8K, or what I like to call sometimes a fake 8K with the 12x2 brakes on them. It is self-adjusting. It has the 5-hole flange on it. 12x2 brakes. Makes it really easy to install new brakes on your trailer. Just undo the 5 bolts and throw this backing plate on, hook up the 2 wires, and you're good to go. You can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or you can also stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas and pick them up. Thanks for watching.